Hello, and welcome to the demonstration of our incident management feature. In 2022, there were 951 workplace fatalities, according to the Association of Workers' Compensation Boards of Canada. Additionally, there were 277,000 accepted claims for lost time due to work-related injuries or diseases. This highlights the importance of workplace safety measures and compliance to minimize risks and ensure employee well-being. With FieldSafe, you can simplify all the steps that are required to report, investigate, and analyze incidents when they occur. You are also able to implement and track corrective actions to prevent further incidents from occurring. Let's begin our demonstration from the perspective of a field worker using our mobile app, which is available on any Android or Apple device. When an incident occurs, the first step is to record the details of the incident. Using our easy-to-use digital forms, personnel in the field can capture all the applicable information that is immediately available to them following an incident. Even if they have no cell or Wi-Fi connectivity, incident reports can be accessed by selecting Forms and Documents, and then Forms. For the benefit of the demonstration, I have filled out an incident report ahead of time. This form can be completely configurable, which means we can adjust any form to suit your company's needs. This includes the date, area or site, the incident type, such as unsafe act or condition, the incident category, such as operations, environmental, or vehicle and equipment, as well as the severity. Next, we can explain the event details, as well as any known contributing factors and additional details, such as personnel injury, damage, or spills. We are also able to add multiple photos directly to the incident report. By selecting Options, Photos, and selecting the plus icon, we can add multiple photos from our library or take photos in real time and draw attention to specific details. Before we submit, we are also able to capture any immediate actions that may have been taken. More importantly, we are able to assign future corrective actions to a specific user, as well as a due date. This can be specific to follow-up tasks or investigations. Once completed, we are now able to submit the form. Any user assigned tasks or corrective actions will receive an email notification. Secondly, they will receive an alert on their mobile device. By selecting My FieldSafe and Scheduled Tasks, they are able to select the corrective action that was triggered by the incident. This allows them to view the PDF of the form that generated the task for further details, including the GPS coordinates of where the form was submitted, and any photos that were uploaded to the incident. By selecting Options and Resolve, the user is then able to record what they have done to complete the task. They can also add additional supporting documentation, such as photos, before submitting. Once a task is resolved, our platform fosters transparency and accountability with our closed-loop communication feature. Users that initially triggered a task will receive automatic notifications when they are resolved, ensuring that everyone stays informed every step of the way. Now that we've reviewed how the system interacts from the field perspective, let's review how incidents are managed by administrators using our administration portal. Our administration portal is accessible on any laptop or desktop. Let's start with notifications. Once an incident is reported, automated notifications will be triggered to send alerts to the right personnel, notifying them of the incident. Using our convenient groups feature, we can configure the notifications to ensure the area manager receives a notification when any user within the group, in this case Edson, reports an incident. If you are an HSE director, you want to be notified when any incident occurs anywhere within your organization. We can simply enable the same notification for the All Users group, which means anytime an incident is reported, the HSE director is notified. Now let's review how corrective actions and investigations can be managed. By selecting corrective actions on the admin portal home screen, we can easily track all corrective actions and tasks on one single screen. We can then review them by site and/or location, as well as by status, such as overdue, open, and resolved. You also have additional information at your fingertips, such as the form that triggered the corrective action or task, the assigned user, and the details of what needs to occur for a resolution. For audit trails, you have shortcuts to the forms that triggered the corrective action, the form that closed or resolved the corrective action, as well as the due date and time that it was resolved. Investigations are a critical step with any incident to put in measures to reduce the risk of reoccurrence. Our system allows you to fill out any applicable investigation and append it directly to the original incident. This ensures all the paperwork is easily accessible in one single document. To add investigations to incidents, we are going to navigate to the Submitted Forms menu. We can then select Edit next to the incident we want to investigate and select Append to open the investigation form. This allows you to capture additional information following your investigation. Once again, we can completely configure this investigation form to your organization's needs. In this case, we are capturing key info such as the cause analysis. Based on the incident category, you will notice the cause analysis change. For example, when we select environment as an incident category, the immediate/direct causes and underlying causes will display options specific to an environmental incident. If we were to change the category to equipment, each cause updates accordingly to incidents specific to equipment. This makes it easier to capture key information to run trends and insights to mitigate future incidents from occurring. Furthermore, we can include your company's risk matrix into any incident or investigation form in order to more easily identify the severity rating, the probability rating, and the total risk analysis. Once again, the risk classifications will automatically adjust based on the category of the incident. Lastly, you have capabilities to trigger additional tasks and corrective actions, as well as add photos to the investigation, just as you did on the original incident report. You'll notice that upon submission, the investigation is now appended to the original incident with an updated date and timestamp, as well as GPS coordinates. This keeps all your incident information on one easily accessible document. Now, where does the data go? We can compile and configure key information based on your organization's needs to run trends and insights on your incidents. Want to see a trend of incidents per site and the severity per incident? No problem. Our team will work with you to develop a report that fits your needs. Thank you for taking the time with me today to walk through our incident management feature. Our ease of use from the field perspective, combined with the ability to easily manage your incidents all in one place at the management level, is why so many organizations currently rely on FieldSafe to ensure their workers arrive safely home to their families each and every night.